Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is a package from Born Pretty and I can't wait to show you guys. This is 5 products and 3 of them are the new X jelly gels and they are Hema free. So I'm going to go straight into those. This is a 15ml bottle. There's the ingredients on the back, but there is 0 Hema in it, which is unbelievable for those who have a Hema allergy. Milky Jelly 01 is the first one I'm going to swatch, and that is a milky white, and it is a beautiful milky white. It goes on really well. It is quite opaque for a jelly gel, so that is good if you want a lot of coverage. And that is it for 2 coats. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. Second, this is the Ice Jelly 05. So this is a pink. Now you can see straight away from the first swatch that this is a little bit more on the sheer side. It's a really true jelly colour. And this is coat number 2. So I think I had a little look on the website and the different types of jelly gel have different levels of opacity. So I think there's 3 different ranges if you look on the website. This is semi jelly and this is 10. So this is from a different collection as well. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this. This green would have been really fun for St. Patrick's Day. That's the first coat. And then I'm going to go in and do the second coat and cure for 60 seconds. So next up, I was so excited to see these because these are liner paints or liner gels, but they are actually in a normal nail polish bottle. So I don't know about you, but I always knock over those little tall tubes of liner gels when they're on my desk. I always knock them over. So this is a genius idea just to have it in a normal nail polish bottle. The first one is a liner paint 09 and this is a stunning glitter pink. So it is so opaque, you can see it here. It's one of those foil glitters. It is just full coverage in 1 coat, and I'm just going to do a little swirl design of these liner paints on a swatch stick just so you can see exactly how they work. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and go on to the next one. But this one is so stunning. This would be gorgeous for nail artwork. Next up is liner paint number 11, and this is exactly like their chrome in a pot. So if you wanted to get it in a gel or a gel liner form, this would be the way to go. So it's very, very like their mirror chrome that they sell in their pots, and that is also ideal for artwork. I'm going to do a little tutorial for you guys right now as well, just to show you how they all work. And this is the swatches of those colours. Thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending them over to me. I had so much fun doing this set. This is how it turned out right here. I really love the colour combination. I used 3 of those products for this set, and I'm going to show you right now exactly how I did it. Super, super easy. This is XXL Stiletto nail tip, and I'm going to go in over 1 coat of that milky gel. So I only did 1 coat of that white milky gel, and then I'm going to go in with the pink liner, and I'm going to start off by drawing a love heart. I just want to jump in here now and say thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you to everyone who watches my videos and comments, and I appreciate you all so much. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the subscribe button and don't be afraid to comment on any questions you have, because I will get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm just going to go in after curing that love heart there, and I'm going to outline it with the silver chrome gel. So I just kind of wanted to work with the brushes that were actually in the gel liner bottles, just to kind of see how easy they were to work with. I found this chrome liner very easy to work with actually. It's nice and thin. The glitter probably would have been easier to get a dotting tool and make the love heart that way, but I did want to just work with the brushes and see how you could work with them basically. So I'm just going to let you continue watching this part of the tutorial, and I'm going to jump in a few minutes to explain the next part. Also guys, before I forget, Born Pretty did give me a 10% off code, and I will link it in the description. If you click on the link, it'll bring you directly to the website and the discount will be applied at the checkout. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in and do a little dot with that liner gel brush, and then I'm going to get a finer brush and I'm going to pull out that gel to make the 4 pointed stars. So again, this is really easy. You just go in with your dot and then you get a finer brush and make 4 strokes out and you have a perfect little star. This design I find was really popular over the last year, even year and a half, and it still is really popular. The chrome stars and love hearts and chrome moons and things like that. It's a really funky design and you can wear it all year round. It doesn't have to be like a winter design. It's really, really transitional. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to pull out the next nail and make a start on a moon. Now it doesn't look like a moon at the start. It looks really dodgy, but as I keep working on it, it resembles a moon along the way. So I basically start off with a really skinny looking moon and then I just keep adding to it. That's the easiest way I find how to do it. Just make sure your tips are a little bit pointy and then the side is a little bit fatter. So like it resembles some sort of a moon. I know it's not perfect, but I think it's okay. And then I'm going to go in and do 8 pointed stars over here. So just like the 4 pointed stars, you start off and you do the 4 points, but then you add little strokes, another 4 little strokes to make it an 8 pointed star. So yeah, it's basically the same idea. You're just pulling out a little bit more from the center of the gel. Okay, so I just added some polka dots with a dotting tool there to the nail and just splatter them all around the place. And then I actually went in and added a dot to the center of the 4 point stars just to make it look a little bit more blingy. And it does actually look like there's a little crystal gem in the center of the stars. It's a really, really cute look. And then I'm just going to add some more along the rest of that nail, and that's pretty much the whole design done. It's really very simple. It looks a lot harder than it is, but once you start it, it's actually quite simple to do. And just need to take your time with the little bits and it'll all be perfect in the end. This is how they turned out and I love that design so much. I'm really, really happy with it and I would definitely wear this on my own nails. It's so, so cute. I just love the pink against the chrome and then the milky white background is perfect. But thank you so much if you made it this far and I will see you in the next one.